Okay guys, how you guys doing? I'm trying to see how far I've gone with LabelobJ, my custom object annotator. It's loaded here with some images on it. Before I was using this image, which when I press my arrow keys left or right, it goes to the next image. On my left here, I have my project structure directory, whereby I'm using NetBeans 11, and I'm on Files tab, and here you can see my project name. We run LabelobJ 1.0, and that's the folder I've opened. If you just look at up here, that's the one that contains the images folder and the annotations folder. And here the annotations, you only have frame.xml and lock.xml, which are actually, this is now the lock currently displaying, and it's a frame. So these were just images I was using when I was developing the application. Now going to my last image, I have object00.png. I can be able to also annotate this quite easily. For example, here, let me just select that like that. Then it gives me a dialog box which comes to my other screen. This I can just say this scissors. I don't know what the scissors is written like that, and that's it. So you'll find that an XML file has just been created here called object00, and this file, if we open it and then we format it, you'll find that it has the normal book 2007 format. A few tabs here. You have the folder, file name, segmented, source, owner, size of the image is 500 by 500 pixels, and then the first object there is scissors. We can continue and maybe annotate something like this one here, and say that that one on the dialog box gives me, or the user can say this is a pen. Okay, so what happens is that NetBeans again just prompts for a reloading of the file. Once I reload it, and then Alt Shift F for formatting the code, I'll find that it has added another object here called a pen. So that's it. And then when I close my program, let me just close my program. This is my program here. It has now scissors and a pen. So here you have the object pen, another object scissors. We have other objects here, but I'll not annotate them right now. I'm just trying to explain how I've built a small annotation program for my deep learning projects that are coming up. So when I close this, it just goes away. Then if I want to run it again, I just found this file, and it will load. Most probably it will load on my other screen. Let's see. Close the output from NetBeans. Yeah, it loads on this other screen. So let me bring it over to my secondary screen, and then I open up that directory. If I open it up like that, it loads the last image that it passes from the images folder. And this one I was just using it for just programming. So when I press on the right arrow, I go back to my object00 image, which actually you find that it still draws the rectangles where they are supposed to be. So I'm able to load images, draw the bounding boxes, create the XML files, and actually reload the same project, or I can say some annotation project, and be able to still find my files intact, my annotation intact. Yeah, so I'll be posting this code on GitHub, and maybe just a small tutorial on the code and everything else. But I'll not stop from here. I'll also add a tree and maybe another panel here, which when you can look, if I put my mouse on top of that, annotation of the bounding box, the cursor changes. So all this is hard coding, and I want, when I just put that, then some more details are actually displayed concerning that particular bounding box. Yeah, something like that. So still a bit buggy. If I remove my mouse, the color is not changing, but that's simple. I'll just fix that later. Okay, yeah, that's it. So let's see what happens after this.